Hi guys, welcome back to Cinema Goggles. I'm Yugina.
I'm Vishali,
And I am Vish.
and we are today watching another BTS video. It's called BTS from Nobodies to Legends.
Yeah, not nobody from not legend to nobody.
Yeah, I was saying the video is called From Legends to Nobody, but they are definitely legends now. And so I'm guessing there is going to be like a story or documentary kind of
Yeah,
thing.
it could be like another story type.
Yeah. The one we saw, the Who is BTS, they told us about their individual personalities and their
Yeah, it was so good, man. I
that
enjoyed that video.
That was really good. But even watching that, people said that it's not updated. So I think this has to be updated. It's just a year ago they uploaded.
Yeah, it's just a new.
Okay, so I
Let's
think it's
watch
going
it.
to be. There's nothing more to discuss before watching the video. So
Without a further ado, let's
Let's-
get into the video.
yes.
Go. Okay.
Bangtan Sanyo is that BTS. 2010.
이제 오늘 신일이가
성녀다.
5일째인데요. 먼저 생일 첫 자신입니다.
무슨 노래요? 네, 감독님들이 정말 저희들의 이름을 모르시거든요. 신인이다 보니.
이 이름표가 없이도 저희 이름을 정말 아셔서 저 얼굴만 보고도 누구신지 아실 수 있게 정말 그날까지 꼭 입어보도록 하겠습니다.
आवाज बढ़ा दे वो भी इसमें से सुन रही है.
बड़ा समझ आया मुझे.
Low on budget.
I love these beds.
Bunker beds.
Bunk beds. I hate bunk beds.
I love it. The company was too small.
Yeah, now look at it.
정말 산 넘어 산이라는 말이 나는 게 정말 데뷔하면 모든 게 다 잘 되고 뭔가 괜찮을 것 같았는데
RM is such a baby.
또 더 큰 세상을 보니까
Seriously, man. My respect for RM is just like on the peak.
Yeah. Mine too. Being copycats.
People criticize them. Yeah, we saw this one as well, na?
Multiple death threats. Oh my god.
Oh my
Plagiarism
god.
boys.
Seriously?
한국을 끝나기도 전에 비난이 몰려온다. 열심히 하는 것만으로는 아무것도 이룰 수 없을 것 같은데 열정, 노력은 아무 힘이 없는 것 같은데
It must be like the music video or something.
I'm getting goosebumps.
One made some really regrettable remarks about BTS.
When I first heard something Korean had exploded in America, I got worried.
I don't know. I think they look very nice.
How did this become a thing in Western culture where all these
Oh my god, I hate this guy.
Not
Do you remember this guy?
Listen, the guys were snubs. They've broken all these
I don't
records. They've
remember.
had an epic year.
He
They
even
should be
roasted
in all the
T
music
series for
categories.
some
I don't like
reason.
the fact that they separated them.
Sorry to interrupt you, Vinny, but that's what it's crazy because they constantly outsell American counterparts. They outperform them, but they're still not acknowledged as the way they should be.
they're really trying to maintain their identity, and there is a barrier there when it comes to like the Korean language. Like obviously, there's going to be some North American audiences that aren't going to have that on location, and it's still an issue with radio. That's the big thing. Like,
And I think they're like more enthusiastic than.
Can you
That's so
describe
true.
that enthusiasm?
They route a boy band from Korea to rap.
My next guests can all be described as an international music phenomenon. They have made Time Magazine's most influential list. They're the first Korean act to reach #1 on the Billboard charts, and they just became the first group since the Beatles to earn 3 #1 albums in less than a year.
Wow.
The 7-member boy band has broken the record for the best-selling album here in Korea. Now, this album released this April has sold 3.4 million copies as of May.
BTS had the #1 best-selling physical album of the United States in the first half of this year.
Becoming the first Korean artist.
She doesn't look happy about it.
Yeah, he does not look happy about
Yeah,
this.
but he's just.
The awards were top social artist and top duo group.
BTS has been named the Group of the Year on Variety's Hitmakers list. BTS performed at the U.S.'s most watched New Year's concert, New Year's Lucky Me.
Their upcoming U.S. tour is one of the hottest tickets on earth. Even more remarkable, considering most of their songs are not in English.
They're headlining 2 sold-out nights at Wembley Stadium, performing for 60,000 screaming fans.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wow. The army bombs.
An economic analysis showed that BTS's last concert in Seoul created nearly as much economic gains as the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics in early 2018.
Oh my god.
1,000 foreigners came to Korea during that time.
Oh wow.
That includes 23,000 foreign fans who came solely to see the concerts and their companions.
34% of army were male, while a clear majority, 76%, were female. 24% were 10 to 19-year-olds, 26% were 20-year-olds, 19% were 30-year-olds, and hold on, this doesn't seem right. 27%
What's 40 to 49 years old?
Oh my
that
god.
does not seem right.
Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm just like 50. I'm 56.
I'm 64. I'm 33. I'm 36 years old. Almost 48 years old. I'm 44 years old and have 2 children.
BTS, like, telling everyone to love themselves, to
Yes.
like, you know, be who you are, and right, and you know, having a group of like musicians and like really talented people talking about like better yourself, love yourself, and you know, become something good in life. It's actually good.
I love the band for their message.
Yes, John Cena loves
I
them
love
too
John
much.
Cena.
John Cena is a big fan.
That's right. I think that's very important. You should love yourself.
For a group that is such larger than life, that it can be so easy
Ooh,
to
also.
recognize them. They really do a good job of keeping themselves like really like just natural
yes.
and humble.
I've never seen a whole concert.
It's astonishing.
I love Halsey.
They do it. They are amazing performers.
And we load up.
Matthew McConaughey.
We did not. We got out of our seats. We
Even
got
he's
right
a-
down and hit and broke a sweat dance.
Yes.
BTS have previously teamed up with UNICEF and spoken in front of
Was that actor from Interstellar?
Yeah.
We have learned to love ourselves. So now I urge you to speak yourself.
Wow.
Ooh, wow.
Big hit.
화려하게 총알을 막는다는 의미인데요. 총알처럼 쏟아지는 편견과 억압에서 굉장히 재밌었는데 생각보다 같이 지키는 그런 심오한 뜻이 담겨져 있어요. 아 좋다.
I'm finding how to love myself. You know, I didn't know anything about love myself, but you guys taught me through your eyes, through your love, through your tweets, through your letters, through everything. You guys taught me and inspired me how to love myself. And loving myself is my whole life goal. So, and you know, what is loving myself? What is loving yourself? I don't know. Who can define their own method and way of loving myself? It's our mission to define our way to love ourselves. It's never intended, but it feels like I'm using you guys to love myself. So I want to say one thing. Please use me. Please use BTS to love yourself.
Wow.
You guys taught me how to love myself. Every day.
Cool.
Thank you so
love you.
It's Jin's voice, right? Oh. Exactly. The company is so benefited because of them.
Seriously.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
That was beyond words.
Yeah.
I'm
That was so
seriously
emotional.
speechless.
I didn't expect it to be so emotional for me. Considering the fact that I've
I
only
was
known them
just-
for a few days, for a few weeks actually.
Yeah, I mean, look at me. I knew about them, okay, but I never knew about all of this struggle.
Yeah.
The hardships they face.
You always
I-
only like knew about some of their music. You never went into details.
Yeah, I just knew about their existence
Yeah,
and their
exactly.
songs, and that they are just so good and so humble. That's it. That's it. And I don't know. I'm just stuck. I just don't know what to say. I'm feeling happy that I watched it, and I'm happy for them. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know.
This was a well-made, nicely edited video.
Yeah.
And they got the clips and they just,
It's actually a very
they made a
nicely
really
edited
good video. It is really
Yeah.
nice. I enjoyed the video. I didn't get bored at all.
Yeah, because it was also short. It's not as big as the
yeah,
other
it's
one.
just 10 minutes or
Yeah, it's just
long.
10 minutes and
And
they showed everything.
Yeah, but they didn't show anything that we didn't know. Most
Yeah,
of the things
exactly.
we knew,
We
but
did-
it doesn't
we did
matter.
know.
It was a good video to watch.
It was a good video.
I liked watching
And
it.
I
Sitting
got
through it.
I had goosebumps throughout the video. I was really feeling what they were feeling, and it's amazing. I love when RM speaks about loving yourself
Yeah.
and all that stuff.
Loving yourself.
The only thing that bugs me, just so very personally, not really like I wouldn't say it should bug me or bug people, but it just bugs me very personally, is the title. It's
From Nobodies to Legends.
and I think it's a bit wavered from what BTS stands for. In my understanding, BTS is a band that stands for people, for everyone, for like all of the things they do, like love yourself, respect yourself, and all that.
Yeah.
So I don't think in that sense of thinking, that way of thinking, anybody is nobody. I don't think anybody is nobody.
Yeah,
So
that's
I
what
don't
in
think they
fact-
never were nobodies. No one is nobody. So I
That's
just
what
think
I-
that goes in line. But yeah, it's a catchy title, From
But
Nobodies to
obviously,
Legends.
yeah, we know what it
Yeah.
means. We know
Yeah,
what it
just bugs me a little.
Yeah, that's what even before
Yeah,
starting the
I
video, I
understand.
wanted to say that first of all, they were never nobodies.
No one is.
They were
ever
always
nobody.
freaking talented,
And
humble,
all of you-
sweet, kind people.
All of you who are watching, none of you is nobody.
Yeah. Yes.
Ooh, yeah. Yup. That's a BTS fan there.
That's actually really true. In fact, I think you have learned the most from RM, from what he said. Nobody is nobody.
That's the part I really liked in this video. When he was talking and I couldn't listen to him. So we can watch them speaking and read the subtitles, but it's not as powerful as when RM speaks in English and I
Yes.
can understand
Can
it in
understand.
his voice.
Yeah.
It's
that's
much more
true.
powerful.
Yeah,
and
or
it
maybe
just-
when they speak in Korean or someone who knows Korean. Because when we understand the
Yeah,
language and
I
we
think
that's
it's really beautiful.
Yeah, that's when we not only hear it but also understand their emotions and the way that he's speaking. And RM, oh my god, with every video I'm falling more and more in love with
He's
RM.
such a clear-minded person.
Yes.
He's so beautiful.
Yes.
in here.
Inside
He
That is
knows
true about
things that everyone should know.
Yeah, and I always see him comforting other members and taking care of them like a true leader.
And not a comparison, not
Exactly.
a comparison.
Yeah,
But
okay.
I have seen one more artist do all these things, and it's Harry Styles. He speaks about loving yourself.
Yes,
he speaks about
yes.
inspiring others.
Harry
he
Styles
does,
talks about it all
he's
the
about
time.
love. So I think this is beautiful that we have these kind of big
Yes, we should
gladiator
have
artists
we
and
should have these kinds of artists
Exactly.
at that mainstream
Level, yeah.
level, because we can't just I'm not gonna take any names, but we cannot just have people who are just smoking and
Yes.
showing how dope it is, which is not
Exactly.
actually, and making songs
I
about
mean,
party
because
and
they are
abusing.
also influencing minds,
Yes.
and if they are using that platform to influence it in loving yourself and spreading this message, I mean, it is just a big all the part of them then. Because nowadays we are already living in a society where people are fat shamed, color shamed, and everything. But right now, when these artists are using this opportunity, this big platform in your life, I
There
mean,
should
that
be
is
people
just so
talking
good.
about stuff that matters.
great music,
Exactly.
Great music.
insane popularity, and
True.
the influence over people,
Yes.
and then a good heart.
Then a good heart.
It
And
makes
that's what
the best artist
That's what's called being an influencer.
and an artist.
Yes, and
Exactly,
I have seen
yes.
just making parties, so they are making party songs, not doing
I
anything
mean, that's
useful.
cool at its place, but
But we
this
should
is
have-
next level.
Yes, we should have people like this too, because
Yeah,
they are
they matter. They matter
actually
a lot.
using their platform to use it
To stand for
beneficially.
something good.
Yeah, to stand for something good. Whenever if you hear Harry Styles, you will immediately think about
You
how
will-
humble he is.
You'll always think,
And
even
how
if
kind
you're
he
listening
is.
to him speaking for the first time ever,
Yeah.
you'll think he cares about you.
Yes, and that's the
Oh.
kind of if you hear an artist name, what's the first thing comes to your mind? Harry Styles,
Love,
right? And Justin Bieber.
fun.
So that's what I mean. Like when I hear RM, all I
agree
think
with
about
him,
is this video.
Yeah.
And how much he how much they are so much more than just their music, and
Yeah,
even
they,
their music
I think
is
they
so
also
good.
stand for love and inspiration.
Yes, true inspiration, truly
Yeah, I
legends,
like them.
truly legends. I love them.
You're a good man, RM.
Yeah, you are a good man, RM,
And you too.
and all of the
V,
other.
Jin,
Yes,
Jungle,
J-Hope.
J-Hope, Suga.
J-Hope is like the sweetest person.
Who's left? Jin,
Yeah.
Jimin. Yeah, I think I got them all.
Yeah. Yeah, they truly deserve what they got. But did you see how?
And you know who's better? The people who are following us. Who are subscribing to our videos, liking our videos, and watching our videos.
Oh,
You
nice,
guys are even
Shah.
better.
Yes.
And did you see some news anchors talking about them BTS when they were I think that was the time when they were first getting into the mainstream,
growing. Yeah,
Into
yeah,
the
and-
US and
yeah,
UK.
and how they were talking about them. Oh my God, that just
Just trying to laugh it off. They're trying to make
Yeah.
fun of it and
yeah
all
on the
that. That's weird.
on national
Yeah,
TV.
and I think
Ugh.
the day any Chinese, any Indian,
Any Asian,
any
basically.
Asian, any foreign artist or band goes there,
Yeah.
whenever, they're gonna do it.
Yeah.
I think there are people like that
There
in the
are-
mainstream.
there are.
They will do it, but
They're not accepting it.
But it
no?
doesn't matter.
It's lack
It doesn't
of
matter
acceptance.
because there are
because they are jealous. I think.
millions and billions of people who do.
Uh-huh.
accept.
Yes, exactly.
We accept them. We let them.
That's why you couldn't stop them. And now look at them. They must be regretting saying all that stuff. Because
Yeah, man.
armies
Exactly.
do I mean they say a lot of stuff
I
to
would
people
say
like them. I
if-
have seen comments.
If you can't respect an artist just because he's not from where you are,
From where you belong, because you think
you
you're
don't know
superior.
art. You don't
You
know
do
art.
not know art. And because you think you are superior.
Oh, by the way, I read this thing now. Okay, apparently, I have to use this word apparently a lot since I'm not sure about the source.
Maybe.
So I heard it that BTS Army has raised 20 lakh rupees for the COVID patients.
In India?
I don't know.
Yeah, in India, the BTS Army.
Wow.
Yeah, that was literally so good.
Because as we said, they are influencing people to do good stuff.
Yeah.
Good things.
Exactly. The army is the biggest proof.
And to the people who say, okay, they just have teenage girls as their fans. Did you see the age?
That was a big slap.
Yes. Even
It's
though
spread even, and it's a little bit heavy towards the older age, and it's amazing.
It's amazing
I really like
because their music is
Inspiring.
Like, there is so much.
If I have to
so
give
many
one
messages in their
word
music.
about them, it's inspiring.
Inspiring, yes.
Obviously, yeah. We love them.
Yeah, I love them. I purple them. And we purple you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Comment down below more recommendations and the things you liked about this video. Please, please, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Bye.